We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new 2023 Lexus RX500 secured with the Starline Pro and a Halo track immobiliser. So as you can see, the customer's just got the car, wants to get it secure before he drives it home. As you can see, it's only got 24 miles on it. Customer's paranoid, needs it secure because his last one was stolen. So what a thief will do, if they copied the key, hopped in, went to start the vehicle up, you're going to see it not start. It doesn't go to ready, they're unable to drive it off. So the customer, what they have to do, they can just have their Bluetooth on their connected phone. When it comes in range, they're going to hop in the vehicle, start it as normal. We hear a disarm tone and it goes to ready and they can drive it away. If their phone goes flat while they're out, they obviously want to drive it home. What they're going to have to do is go for a push sequence. So we'll give it time to set and then come back, show you how that works. So with the code, foot off the brake, double tap the start button until your ignition comes on, pop your code in. Receive a disarm tone, now foot on the brake, press the start button and you see it goes to ready. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.